Hey everybody, Patty Ann here again today. Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can combine Procreate. And if you don't have Procreate, I highly recommend you get it. You will have so much fun playing with it. It just costs, well, it used to be $9.99. It might be $12.99 now. It's a one-time fee. Once you buy it, it's yours to keep forever and ever. Amen. So, yeah, I'm not affiliated with them, but I just love the program. Now, to use this app, you do have to have an iPhone or an iPad, and I highly recommend an iPad because it's just so much easier to work. But you can use an iPad and Procreate by itself, or I'm going to show you today how you can combine that with either your Cricut machine or your Silhouette machine and make some really cool stuff. One example is a bunch of cool stickers or things that you can use in your planner. Whether you make a religious one, a Bible planner, or a Bible journal, or whether you're doing a regular journal, these are really cool. And these are brushes that you can get in Procreate. Let's follow me now to my screen, and I'm going to show you a whole bunch of other brushes that you could get just to kind of wet your whistle and see if you might be interested in it. So let's get started. Okay, I'm just going to show you some of the brushes that you could get. This is a brush set that has all about coffee. Each one of these is a brush, and you get 100+ of them Christmas coffee stamps in this one. I guess I did download this one. We can check it out in just a sec. Let's see what else we got. We got this cute one for Halloween, 100+ Halloween bat stamps. How fun would that be? And then this one, let's see, what's this one? Tea, different kind of tea. What else? Oh, look at the unicorns. I know my granddaughter would love those. The little Christmas mouse. These are all just little brushes that you can get. Look at these cute coffee brush stamps. And see, this is what they look like when you get them. And then you can color them yourself. So let's continue on. Let's see, what is this one? This one's Christmas cookies. How cute is that? But see, all of these are different Christmas cookies that you would get. Notice it does say commercial usage allowed. So that's pretty darn cool. Here's some more. These are like chalkboard ones that you can use. And imagine making really cute stickers or even t-shirts or whatever with those. Here are some more. These are all stamps. If you are a member of Creative Fabrica, and I have a link for you down below, it's only like, I think it's less than $5 a month right now, but check it out. They always have sales. And if you use my link, I really appreciate it, because I can continue making these videos for you guys. This one's a bird snow globe. Check that out. Isn't that cool? That's really neat. I wonder if there are different birds or if they're all cardinals. Let's see what else. Oh, look at these. All kind of tattooy looking things. Nice. All right, so I can go through these quick. Oh, here's a whole bunch of planner type stuff that you could make into stickers for your planner or your journal. And you know, so many times we pay for these things, but if you already have Creative Fabrica, or if you don't have it yet, you might want to get it because these are super cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this little duck. Santa globe. Whoopsie. Birthday stuff. A crocodile. Unicorn stamps. And let's see. Oh, these are cute. All these little doggy thing and little animals. This one happens to say for Valentine's Day, but certainly doesn't have to be used for Valentine's Day. Here's a bunch of more. Maybe we saw these already. Look, cute little tags, though, that you can make. Ah, this is the one that I used. I thought this was adorable. And I'll show you that in a minute. Let's see, some more things. I just kept going on and on. Okay, I'm going to do this Christmas robin bird one right here. So I'm going to click on this. I'm working in my iPad now. So I'm clicking on that. And I'm going to download it by clicking this green rectangle. Comes down here. Wait, comes right down here at the bottom. I'll click on that to open it. Download. And then I'm going to open it in iZip. That's just a program that I have. Would you like to unzip all the files? Okay. I don't really need this PDF file. Whoopsie. So here they are. And now if you can notice, there's the brush set right here. I'm going to share it to Procreate, and now it's automatically been imported. So let's go back, make a new one. Let's go to the brush, and what was it called? Robin Christmas. It's right here. So then I can click on any one of these that I like. If I want to make it larger, I can do that before I click, and there it is. And it's really cute, isn't it? Of course, I could change its color. I had made it, I had made the last thing I was working on pink. So that's why that ended up being pink. I could fix it like that. And what I would do now maybe is just to save this one. If I wanted to put this on a t-shirt, I could just have a black and, whoops, undo right over here. I could save this one just as it is. If I want to make it larger, I could. I'll make it uniform larger. And then I will come up here to this little wrench, and I'll say share. And I'm going to share it as a PNG. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to myself in Messenger, just because that's on my computer that I'm going to use. And I'll send it to myself right here, and I'll send. And then let's go back over to my computer, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I sent this to myself in Facebook Messenger, so I've opened that up, and now I'm going to click on it. Here it is opened up, and I'm going to download it to my computer. Once it's been downloaded to my computer, I'm going to open Silhouette, and I'm going to say File, Import or Merge. There he is, and I'm going to open him up. And he's really cute. I'm going to have to scroll in a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a box and draw a box behind him. And probably color that box a certain color, any color. And I can actually send it to the back. And now what I'm going to do is draw a box around both of these things, come over here and say crop. So that crops them to the exact size of the box I just made, which is perfect. If I wanted to even do more than that, of course, I could come over here to trace, select the trace area, and just trace him like that. And that looks like it's pretty good, but I could right now say trace and detach. And that's going to let me have him just like this. I can get rid of this part, delete. And there he is. And if I'm putting him on a white shirt, of course, I might want to check and see what size he's going to be. And he would be really cute as a sublimated something. And of course, you know, baby, it's cold outside or something I could make it say, right? So let's work on that for just a sec. Okay, and then to add the text, I can simply come over here to the drawing tools and get a circle and just draw a circle around his head. And that makes it easy because I'm going to put the text right on that circle. It's going to go right around his head like that. So I'll come back over here to the text tool on the left and just come anywhere and type out baby. Whoopsie. It's cold outside. Exclamation mark. All right, and I can change that font to whatever I would like it to be. I'll have it selected and come over here on the right hand side to the text style panel, and I think I'll change it to Moon Child Caps. Don't remember where I got this font, but I liked it. If I double click on this again, I can drag this out so it's all on one line, and I probably want to make it smaller by squishing it in. And I can give it a fill color of black or whatever I'd like. And I'm going to get rid of the line color by changing it to transparent. And now when I click on this, double click on it, I get this little four-headed arrow. I can drag that thing down here and put it on the circle just like that. Okay, I'm really happy with how that went, but if I wasn't happy with this double click, you see this little, let me scroll in a little bit, this little thing right here that kind of looks like a zipper. I could move it away from him if I wanted to, or closer in if I wanted to. And if I didn't like where it was situated on the line, I could go like this. Okay, when I'm done with that and I'm happy, I've got to go ahead and click on this, right click and say convert to path. If I don't convert it to a path, that circle's going to show up there and I'm not really able to take it off of the circle. But if I say convert to path, right click, convert to path, now I'm able to get rid of this circle, click on it, simply hit delete on my keyboard, and there he is. So anyway, this is just one of the really cute guys that is in that. Remember, there's 100 of them in here. And imagine what you could do. You can make stickers. You could put it on mugs. You could put it on tumblers. Put it on shirts. Just all kind of things you could do with it. And I just think it's a lot of fun, all these extra things that we can get to play with if you have Procreate and you just mess around with it. So if you like these Procreate and Silhouette, or you could even use it in your Cricut machine tutorials, let me know and I'll make some more for you. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much, you guys, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget, I have links down below if you're in the market to purchase things. All right, bye for now.